Let's learn Another Breath. It's choreographed by Rhoda Lai. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 3 and 9, both after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about styling, the restarts, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance the entire dance so that you know how it flows so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Another Breath. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward. You're going to step forward right, step forward left. You're now going to do a right shuffle forward, step forward with your right, bring your left foot in and next to your right, step forward with your right. You're now going to rock forward with your left, recover onto your right foot, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our left shoulder. You're going to start by making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Walk and shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do hip bumps. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as you step to the right, you're going to bump your hip twice to the right. You're now going to put your weight onto your left and bump your hip twice to the left. We're now going to do singles, so you're going to put your weight onto your right, bump your hip to the right, put your weight on your left, bump your hip to the left. Put your weight on your right, bump your hip to the right, put your weight on your left, bump your hip to the left. Let's try it with some counts. Your double bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 turning jazz boxes. Each of them are going to make an 1/8 of a turn, so in total you'll make a quarter turn. So you're going to be going from the 6 o'clock wall to the 9 o'clock wall. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step back with your left. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now facing 7:30, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to repeat that, crossing our right over our left. Step back with your left. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then step your left foot slightly forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing 6 o'clock. You're doing your 2 jazz box turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to step your right foot into the right diagonal. We're now going to swivel our left foot into our right, starting with our left heel, then our left toe, and our left heel. Weight is still on your right foot. You're now going to step your left foot into the left diagonal, and you're going to do the same thing with your right foot, swivel your right heel into your left. Now your right toe in, right heel in, and your weight's going to remain on your left foot to end the dance. And then you would start all over by doing your 2 walks forward, starting with your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight's on your left, you're starting with your walks forward. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, half shuffle, bump hips, twice to the right, twice to the left, singles, right, left, jazz box, 8th turn, jazz box, 8th turn. Now step and swivel, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about some styling. On some of the walls, it's going to say every breath you take as you're doing your walk, walk, shuffle forward. On those walls, you can blow a kiss in front of you. On a lot of the walls, it's going to say, I'll be watching you. On those walls, you can point to another dancer. I like to point to my eyes and then point to somebody. You could point to the audience, another person. You can have some fun with it. The other place that you can add your own flair in is on those hip bumps. You can kind of freestyle and have a lot of fun while you do those hip bumps. You could do hand rolls. You could put your hands up in the air. You could do some shimmies if you wanted. You could have your own fun with that hip bump section. Now, let's talk about the restarts. There are 2 restarts in the dance. The first one is going to happen when we hit the back wall for wall 3. We're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance, which will put you up to your hip bump section. So let's dance up to that part. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks forward. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, have shuffle bump. Hips twice right, twice left in singles. Right, left, right, left. At this point, you are back at 12 o'clock and you're going to restart the dance with your walk, walk, shuffle facing 12 o'clock. This will become wall 4. You'll then dance a full rotation of the dance, and when we get to wall 9, which will be our 9 o'clock wall, you're going to dance those 16 counts again, restart facing 3 o'clock. Now, the dance ends on wall 11. That is our final wall. You'll dance the full 32 counts. That will be your back wall. You'll come up to 9 o'clock, and then you're going to add a small ending on at the end of the dance. So we'd be facing here. You would end with your left step, heel, toe, heel. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. And as you step, you're going to point both fingers forward like you're pointing at somebody. So you're going to turn over that right shoulder, stepping to the side, and point your fingers forward. And that would be how you would end the dance. So now, let's go around. We're going to do the full dance since it is only 11 walls long, and your last restart happens on wall 9. We're going to dance through all of it so that you know how it all flows and how everything works. Weight's going to start on your left foot. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, have shuffle bump. Hips twice right, twice left in singles. Right, left, right, left, jazz box. 8th turn, jazz box, 8th turn. Now you're step and swivel. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to dance 16 counts and then restart to the front. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, have shuffle, double hips, bumps twice, and twice. Now singles, right, left, right, left. Now we're going to restart. Walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle, rock, recover, have shuffle, bump, hips twice right, twice left in singles, right, left, jazz box. 8th turn, jazz box, 8th turn. Now step and heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, and shuffle. Rock, recover, have shuffle bump. Hips twice right, twice left in singles. Right, left, jazz box. 8th turn, jazz box, 8th turn. Now your step. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle. Rock, recover, half shuffle, bump hips twice right. Twice left in singles, right, left, jazz box, 8th turn. Jazz box, 8th turn. Now your step. Step, heel, heel, step, heel, toe, heel. We're going to dance 16 counts and then restart at 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're now going to restart. This is going to become wall 10. We will dance wall 10 and then wall 11 is our last wall. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, shuffle. Rock, recover, half shuffle, bump hips twice right. Twice left in singles, right, left, jazz box, 8th turn. Jazz box, 8th turn. Now your step and swivel. Step, heel, step, heel, toe. Make your quarter turn and point. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial, scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear-facing demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn another breath. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.